What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back at one other video, and today we're going to be talking about these Adidas YEEZY 350 V2 Yecheils that we'll be releasing this Friday, which is kind of weird, man. We usually get like releases on Saturdays, but sometimes we get them on Fridays. I know they did that with the Citron and the Cloud White release. They released the Cloud Whites on Friday, then they turn around the next day and release the Citrons, man. So today I'm going to show you guys some current resale prices. I'm going to show you guys how to cop. We'll kind of talk about the shoe, see how I'm actually feeling about it, and I want to get you guys' opinion on how you guys are feeling about the Yecheils as well, man. Before we get too deep into it right now, what I need you to do is subscribe to the channel, man. We're on the grind of 25K. Help your boy out. Share, like, comment on every video, man. That shows YouTube that y'all really enjoying the content and to help the channel grow. Also follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World, man. Link will always be in the description box below. And if you want to get some cheap shoes, man, there's a current shoe sale on devintageworld.bigcartel.com. You see the title right here, and it will also be linked in the description box below if you want to go get you some cheap shoes for this upcoming Christmas. If you want to get somebody a nice little gift, everything is under $170, and most of my phone posits are $110 or $120, man. So go take advantage of the sale before everything is gone. So with all that being said, let's jump right over this video talking about these Yecheil 350 V2 Yeezys, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we went live like 2 days, 3 days in a row, man. We was talking about who is really feeling these Yecheils, and a lot of people saying that they like the Yecheils more than the Yeezy reels. I did like a little vote. I said, y'all liking Yeezy reels, y'all liking the Yecheils more? And I got a lot of votes talking about the Yecheils, and a lot of people was asking me, how do you get a 10-minute head start? How do you get this 9-minute head start? You gotta put in work. You gotta be spending money at these companies. You gotta build up pretty much how much money you spend. You can start building up your thing, man. I just hit like a platinum status. I never knew it was anything over what I had. They just sent me an email today. They said you have been upgraded to a platinum status, so your boy got like 2 coupons, but I still start off with a 9-minute head start. So all you have to do to get the extra 1-minute head start, man, is go follow check-in codes on Twitter. Very easy, man. I try to put that out for you guys every how to cop, every sneaker release that's coming up, especially for Foot Locker, Champs Sports, and Foot Action. They send out codes for Foot Action, Foot Locker, and Champs, and all you gotta do is follow them, turn on your notification bells for them on Twitter, and it will send out tweets letting you guys know which zip code and what is the check-in code. So with your app, so say you're on Foot Locker, all you gotta do is click on the shoe, click selected stores, switch the zip code up, and then you click whatever zip code matches that mall, and then you go to click earn head starts up top, and that's when you start to put in your code for whatever mall that is, and you get an extra 1 minute, man. So for Platinum VIP, you start off with 3 minutes. For VIP member, you start off with 6 minutes. You can check in to the store and get an extra 1 minute, but why go all the way to the mall if you don't got to? All you gotta do is follow check-in codes on Twitter, and you can stay at home like me. Your boy got a 10-minute head start on the Yecheils already, man. So super bless up from check-in codes on Twitter. Make sure y'all go follow, man. I'm telling y'all, the extra 1 minute puts you ahead of a lot of people that don't know about check-in codes, that don't even know about getting the extra 1 minute head start. So I'm trying to help you guys be successful on every sneaker release. Like I said, these do release this upcoming Friday. They retail for $220, man. You already know how much your Yeezys are retailing for. You know how much they're going for, maybe like $230 after tax. I don't see that price rising or lowering anytime soon. You know, Jordan brand is pushing up the Air Jordan 1 price, and you might see a couple other retros moved up in price as well, when everybody's like, man, y'all might as well keep them lower. Everybody's talking about their quality control was trash and stuff, but Jordan brand don't care. They up in that retail price because they know everybody's still gonna buy them a pair of Jordans. Another way to get these Yecheils, the Adidas 350 V2s, is going on YeezySupply.com. Whenever they're released on the website, you can just go ahead and try to check out, get your size, stuff like that. Only thing I gotta say about Yeezy Supply is I heard it takes forever to get your package. It can take anywhere from like 2 to 3 weeks. That's what I heard. I never bought anything. I never bought any Yeezy from Yeezy Supply, which is crazy. I want to try it out one day, but like I said, I heard nothing but like bad things about the shipping and how long the shipping takes. You guys already know, man, I gotta throw this out there. Another way to get these Yecheils. You can get them right now if you want. If you trust it, it's from StockX and GOAT. That's the only 2 spots that I've purchased shoes from a middleman service. But it's a lot of controversy going on right now about how people are legit checking shoes, how they know if a shoe is legit. So I'll leave it up to you, do your research, and if you trust it, like I said, go check out StockX and GOAT. I never had any bad encounters with neither one of the 2 companies. So like I said, I'm throwing that out there for you guys if you want to take advantage of not taking the L. If you don't even want to worry about the app, StockX and GOAT got plenty of pairs. There's plenty of sellers that want to sell their shoe to StockX and GOAT. and all you gotta do is, you know what I'm saying, put your size in, and it comes straight to you, whatever the resale price is, so you should be good. You guys already know with these Yeezy season videos, man, we always talk about the resale and what I think the resale prediction is gonna be later on down the line, and what I projected to be a year or two down the line as well. So let's go on StockX and check it out right quick. So right now, you know, the money size is usually like a 7.5 through a 9, and the 7.5 is going for $361. And matter of fact, the size 7 is going for $369, man. So you got a couple more dollars of profit on that one. And up to a size 9 is $333. And it's crazy because a lot of these bigger sizes has been going more than the small sizes nowadays. I don't know what's going on with that. I know a couple people have been noticing that as well, man. Size 12.5 is going for $452. Size 14.5 is going for $600. And a 15 is going for like $2,000, which is crazy. It's probably like 1 or 2 pair of that size 15. That's like a weird size. So that's probably why they're going for $2,000. They probably won't make it, but it's up there if you need a size 15. As you guys also do know that they released a reflective pair to this Yecheil as well. And you guys already know that the reflective pair is going for way more than the non-reflective pair. And I'll pull up some pictures right here. You guys can see them. I do not know if they put the reflective laces in the shoe, because I thought that they had the reflective laces in these. A lot of pictures I seen on internet had the reflective laces, but when I got them in hand, y'all seen the review yesterday, it didn't have any type of reflectiveness in the shoe at all, man. But we did get like a kind of a glow in the dark bottom. I didn't test it out, but this Yecheil do look like they have a little reflective hits on the laces. I can see a little glimpse of reflectiveness in the laces on the non-reflective pair. Like I said, the reflective pair, let me check it out right now. Let's see what size is going for the most right now. And the size 6.5 is going for $2,222. But most times, people don't even have these shoes. Just throw up random numbers. Maybe if they sell it, they sell it. But later on down the line, when the shoe actually releases, the price drops a lot on these shoes. But the size 9 is going for $1,500. Size 8 is going for $999. And yeah, y'all get where this is going, man. The reflectives is always more, they are always more expensive than the non-reflective pair. I don't know why people go too crazy over the reflective pair, because you still get some type of reflective hits in the non-reflective pair, which was in the laces. So I don't know why people do it. Maybe they just like the reflectiveness. Whatever floats your boat, go ahead and do it. Cop what you like. Kudos to you, bro. That's it for this video, man. Make sure y'all let me know in the comment section below right now if you're going to be going after these Yeezys. Let me know if you learned something from this video. Like it, share it, and make sure you pull up to the After Hours Live tonight. Have notification bells on for your boys so you be notified when I do go live. We're gonna turn up one time for the one time. And follow me over on IG at The Vintage World, man. The link will always be in the description box below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And make sure you go shop thevintageworld.bigcartel.com so you get you some cheap shoes for this Christmas time, you feel me? So all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.